America. Buyers are now focusing on US foreclosure hotspots where properties can be snapped up for just $1.50. But there are doubts about the long-term investment potential.
How would you describe them compared to Australian house prices?
Well, very, very cheap.
You don't get much for $1 these days, except in downtown Detroit, where it can buy you a house.
One house I paid, I think, 95 cents a dollar when I bought it.
At 67, Theo Zinger was ready to retire, but instead he's become an unlikely property tycoon.
I have 6 houses. The first one I bought was $4,000.
Like a growing number of Aussies, Theo is cleaning up on the US housing market.
It's recently sold for $1.
For $1?
$1.
Theo's cashed in his super to buy properties in Detroit, the American city famous for its car industry and the setting for the movie 8 Mile. And you won't believe just how cheap some of these homes are.
And I said, what? $1,000 for a house? I said, that can't be. So I looked further, and then I found thousands of houses for so cheaply, even for $1.
Theo says his portfolio is now earning him more than $1,000 a month after expenses.
For one house, I'm getting $500 a month, other one $600, and there's another one which I get about $700.
Look, I think that buying anything just on the basis of price is a very, very dangerous strategy.
Property expert Monique Sasson-Wakelin warns there's big risks buying in a city you don't know.
You're buying into an unfamiliar market, and that means you don't know which are the good areas and which are the bad areas.
My money is safe because it's in brick and mortar. I get rent from it, and eventually if I need to sell it, I can sell it and maybe triple, quadruple my money.
Take a look at Theo's portfolio. He's bought this 3-level home for just $9,000. This one for $4,500. This cottage was a bargain at $10,000. This home, $16,500. This smaller home, $22,000. And this family home for just $6,000. But be warned, as these photos show, many of the homes need work.
A lot of houses are ripped. Even the plumbing, kitchen, everything is ripped out.
Theo has had to spend up to $10,000 on some of the houses just to make them ready for rent. On top of that, he pays rates and agents' fees. Theo says if you're going to invest, always use an agent. Ask to see lots of photos of the property. Check the area. And make sure you know what needs to be fixed and how much it's going to cost.
Don't do it. There's no need to search for greener pastures because the grass is not greener on the other side.
And US housing market experts say Nevada, Arizona, California, Florida and Idaho are the other foreclosure capitals. When we come back, villain or victim, the boss of Pacific Brand